burn. Let the flames illuminate the scene with burning light. And my one young sexy body will be charred and fried. I wanna crash my fucking car into a tree tonight. I wanna fuck off the funeral like Sir Jesus Christ. Car into a tree tonight. Let the flames illuminate the scene with burning light. And my once young sexy body will be charred and fried. I wanna crash my fucking car into a tree tonight. Guys, I see a lot of people in the back with zero motion. And you know what? It's sorry. I just watched an Anthony Bourdain episode where he went to Brazil, and everyone in Brazil dances. Everyone in Brazil is in constant motion. And I thought...
There's actually a lot of civil war there. There's a lot of...
Well, you know, I mean... But they got the dancing down.
The Brazilians are a very active people. They wake up, they go surfing.
Really passionate, really romantic, and just passionate, and just like they eat late, and it's cool. And
cat Regan, her name is Vicky Regan. Yeah. That song, that factors in. Are you good? You guys good? Are you guys good? Another shirt on top of your shirt. Wait. Whoa! Start it up! Stood in the doorway, wearing pants, and a shirt, and another shirt on top of her first shirt. She said, I'm not even sure you know what you really want. And so let me explain.
Raise your voices and raise your arms once again to praise His holy name.
One time I paid a homeless man $75 to put on a blindfold and run across the freeway. Hallelujah.